Yeah, very excited Dave here from having just done last week's hunt, which hopefully you watched, cracking hunt. And then we're recording this one straight after, so it might have dirty hands. Oh, not bad. You'll have seen this hand this one last week, so you know that, how it is, you know that then what found in here, it wasn't like I had a duff hunt in between and went there. I'm not showing that. I am showing this video whether it's full of something or nothing. That's the best way to be. Put every video out. So, Birmingham, Silver Bags. Picked up today. And today's date is, quick check, 6th of September 23. And this bag is marked up the 2nd of last month, 23. So it's just a little over a month old. From Birmingham sorting office. So I know Sunderland coin hunts get a lot of look out of these. I've had my fair share of little bits of luck, but nothing massive. So let's see what we get this week. 25 theoretically seal bags. So let's make a start. If you want a book update, if you want to watch last week's video, I'll put one on the end of there because we found some nice ones for the book. And we found some nice ones not for the book as well. Right. Britannias. We'll go through all this again every week and nobody watches it. But you do for the new people. Britannias. Low mintage year of 2008. But excuse me, energy drinks again. There's also a couple of 2019 restrikes, so keep your eye open. The Shields. 2017, a low mintage year. And NIFC years was 2009, 10, 11, 16, 18, 20, 18 and 21. Keep your eye open. Other than that, we are looking for something with a bonny picture on. Like so this. There we are, Pride coin. Really nice design from 2022. And the first one for the day. Second round of the day. That's Brexit from 2020. Brexit 2020. So that's the first bag. What we do now, anybody who watches regular knows, I'll shut my mouth now and we put the video in the fast forward. And we stop it if we find anything nice to show you. So here we go. Oh, it didn't take long, did it? That's Girl Guides from 2010. Keep your eye open for the 2019 reissue. Again, this is Victoria Cross Awards, or medals, depending on what you want to call it. Again, keep your eye open for the 2019 reissue. This one is not. Well, not as exciting as last week, is it? But that's the way it goes, unfortunately. But we will soldier on. In fact, I'm gonna pause the video while I have a sneeze. Oh, don't have a paused yet in time. If I didn't, I do apologise. But I didn't. Oh, not again. Why pause the video and then pull out another one? Triathlon. And just to show it wasn't one from last week. Triathlon. Triathlon, last week's one. See that? That's what you missed out last week if you didn't watch it. Imagine sneezing, stopping the video and then pulling triathlon. You have to trust me. Triathlon. Technically you don't have to trust me, but I would appreciate it. 2017, 50p. Tells a Peter Rabbit. Next time I'm going to sneeze on camera and just mute it. I'd rather have done that than pause it and then find something later. I'm just glad we don't need it for the book. It would have really looked suspicious, wouldn't it? So I have to put up now with me sniffing, coughing and barking, because I'm not going to pause the video again. Diversity Built Britain. Diversity Built Britain. No, we haven't had one of them this week. Johnson's Dictionaries. I haven't had one of them this week either. Trouble is, you do two hunts straight after each other. You lose track of what you found this week and what you found last week. Benjamin Bunny. Any rotation this week? No rotation error. Benjamin Bunny. Another Johnson's Dictionaries. He says, thinking, have we had one this week? We have Johnson's Dictionaries. Did you see the video? I honestly don't know if it's gone out yet. I would assume it has. The £2 hunt where I opened the bag off camera, realised I wasn't recording, and then found a Commonwealth Games England. And that's why I'm annoyed now, because I paused the camera, sneezed, and then found a top Olympic. It's I don't know, is it an age thing? I don't know. Hey man, crack on. Well, you look at last week and this week, and last week's for the post office bag, as in rolly over bags, and this one's all sealed bags. I prefer rolly over bags, always have done. For your hunts, what you can get. $2017. Let's see what we got. Another Benjamin Bunny, and no rotation error. Another Benjamin, yeah. Another Benjamin Binny. And no rotation error. Jeremy Fisher. Mr. Jeremy Fisher. It's another one. Three of the, is that three of the 17 sets? It is. Three. Missing Tom Kitten now, haven't we? Got it all last week. Another Benjamin Bunny. I found quite a few last year. Found, well, that's 4 this week. And found them last week. But I've plenty of them about again. And a Jubilee coin. Platinum Jubilee. Vintage fingers are out for them. They'll be flooding back into the market. Christopher Ironside. Another really nice design. Something I'd still like to see on our coins today. Howie Johnson's Dictionary. Yeah. Poor old eyes. There's a Queen's Memorial, Queen's Memorial coin. Another Johnson's Dictionary. Battle of Britain. Battle of Britain. Keep your eye open on this one. Nope, this one's a Jodie Clark strike. Keep your eye open for the IRB because that was an NIFC. Nowhere near. Ow, 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 ow. Oh. Nowhere near the look we had last week. Still got an Olympic. So I can't call it a failure. Paper Axe from 2018. They always seem to be in very nice condition, them Paper Axe. Tales of Peter Rabbit. Tales of Peter Rabbit. Down there, seed it. Battle of Hastings. I think that is a 2019 reissue as well, so just double check. We have another Girl Guides. Again, the 2010. Where did we put it? There it is. Another People Act. 2018. Yes. Paddington at the Palace. Buying fewer and fewer Paddingtons, but where? Paddington at the Palace. And now, Kid's last bedtime. So we had that mishap at the beginning, didn't we, where I sneezed, turned the camera off and then found an Olympic. Hopefully you trust me. Either way, it's just, it's going into my stash. It's fortunately it wasn't a book find. Or a Kew Gardens, which would have really been devastating, wouldn't it? We have Heroic Act. It's a standard issue, not the re-strike. Let's see. Looks like that is it. That's it. So, a very sneezy Olympic triathlon. That being said, thanks for joining me, everybody. Take care, and hopefully we'll see you next week. Bye bye now.